In today's video, I'm going to do a brutally honest review of the Lumin Class Act bundle. Let's go. Let's start with the charcoal face wash. Overall, I actually really like the feel of this product. I found it to be a very pleasant experience since it has a really nice lather to it. And then after a week of use, I also haven't experienced any dryness or irritation from it. And then as the name implies, this product also has charcoal powder in it, so it can help to absorb those oils off of your face, and over time, it should minimize the appearance of your pores. It also has many antioxidants such as Centella asiatica, green tea extract, and chamomile extract, and these are all going to help to soothe your skin, and on top of that, it's going to help to prevent any premature aging by combating free radicals, which is basically these harmful molecules that damage your skin cells and lead to problems like wrinkles, dark spots, and loose skin. However, the downside to this product is it also contains many fragrant ingredients as well, such as lemon peel oil and lavender oil, so it can cause some redness and irritation. So if you know that you have sensitive skin or you know that you're allergic to many fragrances, then it's best to avoid this product. Now let's talk about the charcoal scrub. This is another product that I actually really enjoyed using it. As you rub it into your skin, you'll notice that it starts to clump up a little bit. And this is actually because of the cellulose in the product, which it basically acts as a gentle exfoliant to help remove that top layer of dead skin cells. And on top of that, it also has lactic acid in it as well, which is a gentle chemical exfoliant. So I really love how they chose to use these exfoliating ingredients over a physical exfoliant like many other men's subscription boxes. And this is because physical exfoliants are very abrasive to the skin. It can actually cause damage to your skin. This product also has charcoal powder again, so it's gonna help to absorb the oil from your skin. And it has licorice root extract, which will help to brighten the appearance of any acne scars and dark spots. And then finally, it has hydrating ingredients like allantoin, panthenol, and glycerin. However, the one problem with this product again is that it contains fragrant ingredients like peppermint oil, and on the bottom of the ingredient list, it even says fragrance, and you never want to see this. Basically, when it says fragrance on an ingredient list, this is a generic term that on average represents anywhere from 30 to 50 different chemicals. So again, it's probably best to avoid this product since there's a chance that it may cause irritation for many of you out there. Next up, we have the Super Light Moisturizer. And honestly, this is a product that I think Lumin did a fantastic job with. As the name implies, it's a super lightweight formula, so it's really going to be really good for people with oily or combination skin since it's not going to make you look too shiny at all, and it doesn't feel too heavy in the skin. And then in terms of ingredients, it has glycerin and hyaluronic acid for hydration. It also has probiotics to help soothe your skin, and it has acetohexapeptide 8, which is going to help to smooth wrinkles caused by expression lines. Lumin also has two other moisturizers called the Daily Face Moisturizer and the Extra Strength Moisturizer for people with more normal to dry skin as well. And I haven't tried these products, but I did take a look at the ingredients online, and they both contain fragrant ingredients as well. So again, it's gonna be best to avoid these products. All right, before I get into the last product, I would really appreciate it if you guys would like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post videos similar to this each week to help you guys achieve better skin, and I'd love to have you here. Finally, let's talk about the Dark Circle Defense Balm, and then I'll quickly go over a few more factors for you guys to consider. So this product does have some great ingredients. It has glycerin to help hydrate the skin around the eyes, niacinamide to help soften the appearance of crow's feet and dark circles, caffeine to reduce puffiness, and licorice root extract, which is going to help to brighten the skin around the eyes. But the first thing I noticed about this product when I opened it was that it has a strong citrusy scent. And I consider myself to be someone with very tolerant skin, and even I experienced some dryness around my eyes from this product. So as you guessed it, it has fragrance, stay away. So there are all the products from the Class Act bundle. And one thing you may have noticed is that this bundle does not include any sunscreen. And I think this is by far probably one of the worst parts, if not the worst part about Lumin, is that most of their bundles do not include a sunscreen with it. And it's basically defeats the whole purpose of your skincare routine since the sun just causes so much damage to your skin. And it can lead to problems like dry skin, wrinkles, age spots, and obviously not to mention skin cancer. However, Lumin does have a moisturizer with an SPF called the Sun Defense Broad Spectrum Moisturizer. So I'd recommend you also pick up that product if you plan on getting a bundle from Lumin. I haven't actually used this product, but I did review the ingredients online, and it does actually seem like a really good product. Most importantly, it's fragrance and essential oil free. All right, now let's talk about the pricing. So the Lumin Class Act bundle only comes in a 2-month supply, and it's gonna be $76.50 US dollars. So generally speaking, this isn't super expensive as far as skincare goes. You can definitely get a lot more expensive, but you can also definitely build a really effective routine for much less than this as well. So overall, would I recommend Lumin for anyone getting started with skincare? I hope you can guess my answer is no. I think on the surface, it actually looks pretty good, and there's some things I actually like about it, but overall, most of their products contain fragrant ingredients, and it's just gonna make it not suitable for many people. However, if in the future they ever decide to change their formulas to be completely fragrance-free, this would be a completely different story. But Also, if you would like to, you can also pick up a few of the products like the Super Light Moisturizer and the Broad Spectrum Moisturizer, since these are actually good products, but just make sure you stay away from the rest of them. Alright guys, I hope this helped. If you're interested in building your own skincare routine, then I highly recommend you check out this playlist here. Inside, I have a few different routine videos based on your skin type. See you guys next time.